Hey, what's up, everyone? Working on a 2018 KTM 65 and um, rebuilding the forks on this thing. I wanted to make a video because I kind of struggled figuring this out, what to do. Um, you definitely need some special tools, and I have here a tool that I had to buy. This is from pr2 Racing. Looks pretty nice, good quality. And basically, you're going to have this if you want to take your forks all the way apart. So I'm going to show you here on the fork. On the top of the fork, they make this goofy fitting here that I couldn't take apart with anything in my toolbox. So got this special tool. You slide it down here, and this thing was super tight. I couldn't believe how tight it was. Some people say, heat it up. They use Loctite on this, I guess. I tried, buying a little spanner wrench from Harbor Freight. That didn't work. It actually just kind of bent the spanner wrench, and yeah, so I bought this tool, and I was able to actually get this to break free here. But yeah, it was super tight. I couldn't believe how tight this thing was. So if you're working on one of these newer KTM 65s, you definitely want to get this tool maybe before you take everything apart. I started taking mine apart and realized I didn't have the tool. I had to wait a few days to get it. So it's a good tool. pr2 is where I got mine from. I think there's a couple other out there, but it seemed like this was maybe a small mom and pop shop, and they did a nice job making this tool. It's machined pretty nicely and pretty strong. So I don't think you're going to bend it or break it like the Harbor Freight spanner wrench that I tried using. So just keep that in mind. This is for the 2018 KTM 65. My son's bike there that I'm working on. Yeah, and a couple other special tools that you're probably going to need. These are 35mm forks. So I also got a seal driver from Motion Pro. It's the Ringer 35 to 36mm. That'll be for installing the seals, and that's about it. I got some new bushings here, and went with some all ball seals. I actually found out the OEM seals aren't much more. I probably should have got them, but too late now. So good luck. I'll give you guys an update here when I get them all the way apart.